children. Today we will be drawing a picture. This is Drawing 101. Today we will be drawing this lovely stick figure, and I'll be telling you how to do it in detail. Now, drawing stick figures can be pretty tricky sometimes, but don't worry, I'll be here to help you. So, let's get started. Everybody get your paper. Start with a clean sheet of paper. That's the best way to start. Get you a marker, or a pencil, or a pen, whatever. Alright, now take your clean sheet of paper, and what you want to do is draw a circle. Now, this circle will be the head. Draw a smile, or a frown, whatever mood you're in today. 2 eyes, and there's your head. Maybe we could add some details like some hair, maybe some ears. Now that your head is done, did you get that? If not, you can rewind the video and start over. So, draw a body, and then maybe 1 leg, and 2 legs. Maybe 1 arm, maybe 2 arms. Now, if you really want to get detailed, let's draw some feet. Now, drawing feet can be tricky. It's okay. It won't hurt you. You'll be fine. Just hold your marker, or pen, or pencil, or crayon, or whatever the heck you're using to draw, on the paper, and pull upward. And that will be your foot. Now, if you really want to get into it, you can draw some hands, 5 fingers, just like you did the feet. Very simple. Very good. Alright, let's do the other hand. 5. There we go. And if you really want to get detailed, you can draw some clothes on your stick figure so that they won't be naked. Maybe draw a shirt and some pants. There we go. Maybe color it in so that their clothes aren't see-through. Sometimes that's a little better. Our clothes aren't see-through. On my clothes see-through, they're not see-through. Yeah. Maybe add some grass so the people aren't standing in the air. Give them some ground to stand on. Maybe a flower or a tree. Whatever really you decide you think needs to be in your picture. Maybe a sun. How about some clouds? Now, if you had any trouble today, just rewind the video or contact me. I will help you get through drawing stick figures. Now, it can be a little tricky sometimes, but I'm sure you can do it. And this has been Drawing 101. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you!